reason why you're not making $1,000 is because
fucking inútil. Eres un inútil. No sé si lo coges las piernas. ¡Ah!
What did he say?
Useless.
Well, let's be real here. How many times have you felt like that? Have you ever thought, why can't I just make $1,000? Why does it feel like I'm stuck in this cycle where I can never get ahead financially? Did you know that in 2025, making $1,000 online isn't just possible, it's easy? Then why are so many people still broke? Why does it seem like the system is stacked against us? I'm going to show you exactly why, and more importantly, how you can break out of this and start making money today as an affiliate marketer. Here's the problem. Most people are trapped in a mindset that working harder at a dead-end job is the only way to make money. But let's be real, working more hours for minimum wage isn't going to get you the lifestyle you want. How many of you have tried saving for months, even years, only to find yourself just as broke? So how do they expect us to win? The truth is, they don't. The system is designed to keep most people just barely making ends meet. That's why the idea of making $1,000 seems like a dream. You're working hard, doing everything right, but the bank account doesn't move. But here's the good news. You're not useless. You're not stuck. The key to making $1,000 or more starts with leveraging one of the most effective ways to make passive income, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. You don't need a product, you don't need a warehouse, or even an office. You just need a laptop, an internet connection, and the right strategy. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product. It could be anything from software to fitness programs, and when someone buys it through your link, you get a commission. It's that simple. No inventory, no customer service, and no limits on how much you can earn. Here's the process. Step 1, pick a niche. What do you enjoy? Health? Technology? Fashion? It's up to you. Step 2, sign up for an affiliate program. You can do this on websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Step 3, promote. You can use social media, YouTube, or even your own blog to drive traffic to your affiliate links. And step 4, you collect commissions. Every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't know how to do all that. Well, here's the thing. You don't have to be an expert. You can literally start today with zero experience. But let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to make money so effortlessly while you struggle? The answer isn't that they are smarter or luckier than you. They're just using strategies like affiliate marketing. Imagine making $1,000 from few clicks on your phone while you are with friends or even while you're sleeping. It's time to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start living on your terms. Don't let anyone, especially yourself, make you feel useless. You have the tools, you have the opportunity. All you need to do is take action. If you're ready to stop being broke and start making $988 or more, you need to follow these next steps. But before I dive into those, let me break down how things work on my channel so you know what to expect. Every Monday, I'll be dropping the blueprints on how to generate income online fast and easy. Think of these videos as the start point, not too technical, but enough to give you a clear direction on how to get started. Then on Tuesdays, we'll get into the nitty-gritty technical stuff. These videos will go much deeper, breaking down the exact steps you need to follow, with detailed walkthroughs and longer content to make sure you know how to execute. On Thursdays, I'll update you on my own progress. You'll see that I'm not just preaching, I'm walking the walk. You'll get to see my own results, wins and even failures, so you know I'm drinking my own soup, so to speak. And finally, on the weekends we'll talk about the challenges and answer the most frequently asked questions about being an online entrepreneur. This is where we get real about the ups and downs of making money online. Now, to make sure you don't miss any of this, you need to subscribe to my channel. When you hit that subscribe button, you're not just signing up for videos, you're signing up to break free from the cycle of the struggle. You'll get notified about all my updates, strategies, and personal insights that could be the difference between staying broke and making real money in 2025. Next, click the link below to grab my guide, 5 proven strategies to earn your first $988 in 2025. This is a no-nonsense guide packed with actionable steps that you can start today, whether you are a beginner or just looking for a fresh approach. Or if you're watching this on a mobile or can't access the link right now, just drop a comment below that says send link, and I'll make sure you get all the details directly. And one more thing, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the technical video I've prepared for you. It's a step-by-step guide digging into the specifics of an affiliate marketing, so you can start making money as soon as possible. Remember, this year can be the one where everything changes for you financially. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. It's not rocket science. It's just about taking the first step. Now go make that money.